Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to use agents to interact with CSV files. So first of all, let's import pandas. Now, let's load the CSV file using pandas to get an overview of the data. So the data has four columns: student ID, student name, age, and grade. Now, let us import the LangChain agents. Let's import the agent type, the create CSV agent, chat OpenAI, and OpenAI model. Now we can initialize the agent. To initialize the agent, we need to pass the chat OpenAI model. Here we need to pass the temperature, the model type, and the OpenAI key. Also, we need to pass the CSV file here. Here we have passed verbose is equal to true so that we can see the step-by-step execution. And we have given agent type as OpenAI functions. Let's run this cell. Now, once we have initialized the agent, let's try asking some questions. So first of all, we ask how many rows are there. As you can see, it says entering new agent executor chain, and then it runs this query in the backend and returns the answer. The answer is there are 20 rows in the data frame. Let's confirm the answer using the pandas data frame. Here we can see that the answer which we got is correct, as there are 20 rows present in the data frame. Next, let's ask the question, what is the maximum age? Here it runs this code in the backend where it runs the max command over the age column and returns the answer. So the maximum age in the data frame is 22. Now let's confirm the answer. Again, we can see that this is the correct answer. Next, we can ask another question. How many students got grade A? It says 7 students got grade A, and it uses this particular query to get this answer. Now let's check the answer from the pandas data frame. Again, the answer is correct here. Now let's ask another question. What is the average age? So it runs the mean function over the age column and gives the average age as 20.35. Let's confirm the answer. Let's wait for a few seconds. This cell is still running. Here again we can see that we have the correct answer here. Now we will learn how to use the agent to interact with multiple CSV files. So let's load another CSV file, LangChain tutorial data.csv. Here we have four columns in the data: product ID, product name, price, quantity, and stock. Now let's initialize the create CSV agent using the chat OpenAI model with temperature 0 and model type as GPT 3.5 turbo. And we also have to pass the OpenAI key here. And we are passing the CSV files in a list over here. So here we have two CSV files which we have passed in a list. Again, we are setting the verbose is equal to true so that we can see the step-by-step execution. And again, the agent type here is OpenAI functions agent type. Now let's run this cell. Once we have initialized the agent, now let's try asking some questions. So the first question is, how many rows difference in two files? So it says there are 9 fewer rows in df2 compared to df1. So the df2 is basically the second second CSV file which we have loaded, and the df1 is being referred to as the first CSV file which we loaded initially. Let's confirm the answer. We can see that we have got the correct answer. Now the next question is, how many columns are there in both files? Let's run this. It says 4. It gives answer as as 4. It might take a few more seconds to run this. Meanwhile, we can see that it has used this particular query df1.shape to get the number of columns for both the CSV files. Here we have the final answer. It says there are 4 columns in both files. That's all for this video. I will upload the code for this video in the description. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.